Hi everybody. Hello again. Well, today we're going to read a book about fruits. And what kind of fruit is on the cover of this book? Can you tell me? If you said apple, yes, that's right, apples. Plants need fruits. Fruits from flowers of plants. Fruits are soft and fleshy or hard and dry. What kind of fruit is that? Can you tell? If you said raspberry, you're correct. That fruit happens to be a raspberry. Seeds grow inside fruits. Fruits have one seed or many seeds. What kind of fruit is that? Notice all the seeds are in the center of the fruit. If you said a melon, you are correct. That's a type of melon. I think this one's a honeydew or cantaloupe or something like that. All kinds of fruits. Peaches are soft and juicy fruits. A hard seed inside is called the pit. So this whole inside of this peach, that is a pit. And a pit is actually a very large seed. And it can actually be planted to make grow another peach. Well, before I tell you, what kind of fruit is that? Does anyone recognize it? If you said kiwi, you're correct. Kiwi fruit has many seeds. The black seeds are soft. So inside a kiwi is lots and lots of tiny little seeds. You can see so many seeds in the middle. Lots and lots of tiny little seeds. What is this? Before I read it, what? Do you recognize that? Again, we had some of those in our classroom in our Discovery Science area. Can you see what that is? If you said they're acorns, you're correct. Acorns are hard fruits with seeds inside. Acorn seeds grow into new oak trees. So that's what acorns look like when they start to sprout. What do you think that is? This book is actually a review because we did a picture walk of this book last week. So let's see if you can remember what this picture is. This week we're actually reading the book. These are blueberries. Blueberries. Now, you're asking yourself, how could they all be blueberries? That doesn't look very blue to me. That's because those are not ripe yet. These are not ripe for eating yet. So people would not pick these off. But these are ripe for eating. They are a nice blue color and they're ready to be picked off and eaten. We eat many fruits. Blueberries are ripe when they turn dark blue. So this is ripe and this is not ripe. Ripe is when we're able to pick them and eat them. What's that a picture of? If you said oranges, that is correct. This is the way oranges grow. Oranges grow on trees. Oranges grow on trees. Usually they grow in very warm places. They need They need lots of warmth and sunshine to grow. Oranges grow on trees in warm places. Oranges are squeezed to make orange juice. So if you ever drink orange juice, now you know where orange juice comes from. They come from oranges. Sweet or sour, hard or soft, plants keep us safe. Fruits keep seeds safe for plants. And again, what is this a picture of? We saw this picture before. It is, they're not strawberries, they are, that's right, raspberries. These are raspberries. Now let's look at this. So parts of an apple tree. Let's look at the parts of an apple tree. As you can see, this is an apple tree when it's in bloom. And look at all these pretty apple blossoms on this tree. They look similar to the trees that we saw when I took my walk, right? Except I don't think those were apple trees. Those were different kind of flowering trees. Let's see the parts of the tree. Well, part is the flowers. When you open up an apple, what do you see inside? Remember what we did when we Miss Judy? We saw, that's right, we saw seeds. Last videos, Miss Judy opened up a lot of different fruits and we got to see the seeds inside the fruits. And this is an example of apple seeds. And here, this is the stem of the tree. Because remember, a tree is actually a very large plant. That's the stem of the tree. Down here would be the roots. You can't really see them, but they're underneath the ground. So there you go. That is our book on fruits and the seeds that are inside of fruits. Hope you enjoy that book. Now, if you would like to draw a picture based on what you saw in this book, we would love to see them so that we can share them next week for our daily focus. Okay, everybody. Bye-bye.